What's up guys, welcome to Tommy RC. Now today I'm going to show you the Flysky's new transmitters. Now let's unbox it. Wow, look at it. This is called the NB4. Look at this big beautiful cases. Flysky's. Now the Texas is carbon fibers. I don't know if it is a real carbon fiber. I think it's not. It's just the carbon fiber Texas. Look at this box. So beautiful. And I have to unlock this, and wow, look at it. Now this is a box. Wow, this must be the wireless chargers for it can charge for the batteries. Or there's two keys, another wheel. This is the Flysky's NB4. Look at it. There is a phones. You can put your cell phones in here, and you can even push your controllers by this. The case is aluminum. And the wheel is aluminum. Let's see other things. Oh, this is it's called the FGR4B receivers. It's a 4 channels receivers, and I think it's updated versions of the former FGRB. And there is this is the batteries, big batteries. It can support the wireless charge. It has a wireless logo. In here, wireless logo. That's all about the unboxing. Now let's see this. Oh, there are a lot of other things. No, this is a FGR 8B receivers, 8 channels, and a lot of stuffs. The triggers, aluminum triggers if you want. Now let's open it. Let's compare the former NB4, NB4. Now look at it. The size all the same, but the wheels changed. I think the Pro's wheels are more beautiful from the NB4, and it has aluminum cases. If you don't like it, I think you can put it out to cases. And here you can see the Noble Pro's batteries is a little bit bigger, taller than it because it has a wireless support, and it is said 4300 milliamp hours. And here there is another change. This VR1 buttons, the former is, now NB4 is plastic, now this is aluminum, and it has three positions, just like these triggers, 3 positions. You can also put 3 positions. And other things, these are all the same when you see it, but the Noble Pros, it support to 12 or up to 18 channels. Unfortunately, the NB4 can only support up to 8 channels. So if you want to use 12 channels or 18 channels, you can only buy this NB4. 18 channels, so crazy. By the way, let's see the UIs. Here you can see the Noble Pro's US is colored and the NB4's is black and white. There is 2 different UIs, but the functions are, I see, all the same. All the same, but now, so this is the unboxing compared to the NB4. Now I will test it in my cars. Now thanks for watching. Please make comments down below, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye. Now let's compare the Flysky's Noble Pro and Flysky's NB4. Here you can see the Pro's menus are colored, and this is black white, and it's here is another functions that the NB4 didn't have. This is called the aux channel. You can choose the channel 3 to channel 8 for the aux, and you can see this up to 18 channels, and this NB4 only have up to 8 channels. And if you choose the 2 channels, just the steering and the throttles, it has the lowest it is fast. It has a fast sound. Now there is another update for the mixed. It has added another 2 functions. Now this is for the tags, tracks, tracker mix, and this is for the, I think this is maybe for the counter crawlers, because it has a front and rear motors. You can choose rear drive, front wheel drive, and 4-wheel drives. I think it is made for the counter crawlers. Thanks for the Flysky. And another, it has added these functions. Cruise speed, just like if you want to make your cars just as for example, here I set is 38% throttles, so the cars will always drive. So it's also convenient for the crawlers. Now that's the edit. That's the NB4 Pro added some functions, and this is only NB4 Pro have, and the NB4 doesn't have.